to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the Rogue with patchwork and snakeskin handles. This is a really nice mixed material bag. If you're looking for something that is sassy and different, this is definitely it. As you could see on itself, it has this patchwork on the denim, and then it has this really nice weave snakeskin handle here. And it does come with this one here with a latch that I believe this one probably holds your key on this thing. It does come with a leather hand tag with really nice detail on it. And as you could see, let's go look at the side. And as you could see, this both sides of this leather has a really nice pink, and this one looks more like a navy blue on the side. And this is the bag. And again, this one has a really nice detail, brass detail here. And this is the other side. And the beauty of this one at the bottom has a really nice 4 feet here to protect the bag. And this bag does come with a shoulder strap, 2 of them actually. You could convert this shoulder strap to be a crossbody wear. You could just do it, just remove one of this and the other of this and then put it together. And there you go. Or if you decided that you just want it to be a regular shoulder wear, you could just do it this way. Or you could just hold it the other way. And before we look on the inside, you could see that on this 2 sides here has a really deep, I guess, pockets on both sides here. I'm not sure if you could see it. Alright, and before I go look on the inside, I want to show you the detail shot of this really beautiful patchwork here. So you could see here, and you see a flower holder thing to hold the strap. And let's take a look on the inside, shall we? And it's a really nice heavy duty pull, zipper pull. On the inside, it does come with a dust bag. And let me take out all the paper that keeps the shape of the bag. Oh, this is so exciting. On the inside here, it does come with a I guess this is a coin compartment that you could, it comes with claps that you could collapse and open, and with a coin compartment. On the other side here, it comes with a key and a zipper pocket right here. So this one does say more detail about it. And it comes with a really nice heavy duty linen lining on the inside. And let's compare this to the size of the water bottle. As you could see right here, the dimension of this bag is about 12¼ inches in length. It's about 9¾ inches in height. And it is about 5½ inches in width. And the weight of the bag is 2 pounds and 12.9 ounces. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.